Welcome to the Java and more tutorial videos. In this tutorial, we will talk about REST. As a beginner, we all wonder, what is REST anyway? The acronym REST stands for Representational State Transfer. REST is a web standard-based software architectural style for designing and developing web services or networked applications. So what all these mean? Representational state transfer refers to transferring representations of resources. So what does that mean? That means we use the representation of a resource to transfer resource state which lives on the server into application state on the client. Now we may wonder, what is resource? A resource is anything that's important enough to be referenced as a thing in itself. Usually a resource is something that can be stored on a computer and represented as a stream of bits, a document, a row in a database, or the result of running an algorithm. A resource may be a physical object, like an object, or an abstract concept, like courage. Earlier we mentioned that REST is used to design and develop web service. What is a web service? A web service is a client-server application or application component for communication. It is a method of communication between two devices over network. Web service is a software system for interoperable machine-to-machine communication. It is a collection of standards or protocols for exchanging information between two devices or applications. So in summary, it's a method of communication over the network. I hope that makes sense. There are two types of web services, SOAP web services and RESTful web services. In this tutorial, we are talking about RESTful web services. As we said, RESTful web services are REST architecture-based web services. In REST, basically each unique URL is a representation of an object or a component, where every component is a resource and a resource is accessed by a common interface using HTTP standard methods. Following are the well-known HTTP methods are commonly used in REST-based architecture: GET, PUT, delete, post, and options. In our next tutorial, we will talk about all these methods in detail and how these methods are used in REST architecture. Thank you.